Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Snapchat black. Okay, so I'm in my Snapchat camera. What you have to do, go to your profile. Okay, here on the top right corner, you will see the setting gear button. Tap there. Okay, now this is your settings. Scroll down until you see app appearance. Okay, like on the top of the screen, you can see app appearance. Tap there. Okay, mine is set to match system. This is good because this automatically switch between night mode and day mode. But if you want black mode permanently, what you can do, tap on always dark. Okay, and that's it. You got black Snapchat. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get your Snapchat black. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.